Well, welcome back to Timeline Ranch. It's a fairly temperature-wise nice day, a little cloudy, chance of rain. We'll see if it happens, hopefully. Keep your fingers crossed. I'll show you how the water is flowing underground over here because of the leaky weir that I installed a couple years back. We'll start up high where it's not impacting any of the plant life. You can see the change as we get closer to it. We're starting over here at what I call the hot tub. It's a little pocket that holds water for a couple weeks after it rains here in the main creek. You can see everything's looking pretty dry around here. They're all in survival mode. This is a New Mexico olive. You can see it's pretty scraggly looking compared to what it normally would look like this time of the year. All the grass is dormant or dead in some circumstances. This is a skeleton leaf goldeneye. That's just hanging on for dear life. Well, it looks like we have one of our millipedes here. You can see this creosote here looks pretty rough. Doesn't have much life in it. It's very dry. This creosote here as well. Quite dry. All the hairy grama grass looking pretty dry. You can see the rodents are hitting these Yucca Faxoniana real hard on the leaves to get some moisture out of them. That one, they've almost gnawed that one down to nothing. We're getting a little closer to our leaky weir. You can see the green starting to come in. There's some Christmas cactus here. The skeleton leaf goldeneye here, where it's getting some of that moisture from the leaky weir. Looks much better, and you can see it bloomed quite heavily this year. This yucca here is one of the ones I transplanted. It doesn't look like it was happy with the transplant. It did bloom one last time and then died out. Maybe it just bloomed and decided that was it. I guess we'll never know. So this creosote here, looking much healthier. This is one of the yuccas I transplanted. It looks pretty decent. This one was already here. It's nice and healthy. You can see this Epheter Nevadidens or Mormon's teas looking healthy over here. It's getting some water. I don't believe that my little diversion channel even was used this year, judging by the pond. This upper portion of the leaky weir doesn't have too much moisture in it, apparently. You can see the grass is alive, but it's in survival mode. This New Mexico olive that's getting some water because it has some deeper roots looks very good. Of course, our little honey mesquite looks good. Got some nice thorns there. Here we are at the pond. Yeah, there's some water in this lower portion still that even the shallow root plants can get to. You can see the grass right here is getting moisture coming out from that leaky weir. Same with the grass down in there. Of course, the baccharis looks real healthy right through here. And even this moringa over here, that's a good ways downstream from it. It's getting some moisture. Yeah, this little permaculture feature I put a good 2 days into building is definitely serving its purpose. It's working. The pond needs to be deeper. That's definitely an issue, and I knew it was going to be at some point. I guess I need to get to work on the pond, but I've got a bunch of other things I need to do as well, so it is what it is. I'll see you on the next one.